if you thought part 2 of Patience 11-hour garden project was interesting, then welcome to part 3. 15 minutes for supper, that's all we took. We quickly resumed. At this point, it's 7:15 p.m. and we are not even halfway through the work. This time, the energy was back. Jean-Paul went for some black soil with a head pan to fill the ties. By 7:20 p.m., I was already asking myself, what time are we going to go home today? This garden has 2 full sides, left and right, all packed with buckets and ties. So just imagine the workload. I was busy topping up the soil in the buckets and ties, adding manure and cocoa peat, and mixing everything properly to improve the nutrients and texture. Jean-Paul followed behind, watering each soil mix, preparing the soil before we would transplant the seedlings. We didn't even start transplanting yet. The shade net had to go up first. We took scissors, split it, and joined the pieces end to end to get a full coverage for the garden. At the same time, Jean-Paul unlocked another talent, painting. Every tie, one by one, started coming alive with color, because honestly, Patience and Grandma's garden deserves to look as good as it will produce. Patience and Grandma were right with us, watching everything unfold with so much excitement and anticipation. Grandma said she wouldn't sleep until the work was done. She didn't want to miss any part of the project. I was like, Grandma, you would get tired, but I was very wrong. I picked up the drilling machine, climbed the ladder, and started drilling into the wall. Now imagine this, 10:30 to 11 p.m. and someone is drilling into concrete. If you were a neighbor, you won't be happy. So to all the understanding neighbors, we say a very big thank you and sorry for the inconvenience caused. I inserted wall plugs, installed wall brackets, and fastened the shade net firmly to the bracket. By 12 a.m., we had entered a new day, but we kept it going. Jean-Paul had finished painting, and honestly, they were so beautiful. At this point, the tiredness came back again, and the body was already negotiating. But stopping wasn't an option, so we kept moving. Jean-Paul began arranging the seedlings, placing them carefully into the ties and buckets, and transplanting each one. I secured the other end of the shade net, making sure it was tight enough to withstand strong winds, because once the sun comes, this shade net will protect the plants from withering. Finally, around 1 a.m., the planting was done. I labeled every plant so everything is easy to identify. And then the chef's kiss, Patience and Grandma's garden came to life. All 42 buckets, 14 gallon halves, and 24 ties fully planted. We sowed lettuce seeds in the gallons, so in about 3 to 5 days, we are expecting germination. We added support for climbers like cucumbers and sweet potatoes. This wasn't just a garden, this was a full ecosystem. We tidied everything up, and by the time we were done, it was 2 a.m. And guess what? Grandma never slept. This woman stayed with us till the very end. At this point, everybody was tired, but it was a good kind of tired, the one that comes with fulfillment. Now we can go home and rest. Ladies and gentlemen, rate this garden project out of 10.